Hi guys, this is just an update from Patrick, Synergy Planners, regarding the market movement, and I'd like to just take some time to give you some of the good news and some of the great news that's happening this few days, especially after we've been going through the pandemic and in anticipation for GE. So this is how the market has been doing and how your funds have been doing. Please take note the disclaimer that we will have. Let me just share that with you. Yeah. Okay. So this is the update. The year-end market outlook. There's actually a light at the end of the tunnel uh, to this whole experience that we have. This is the 3 months charts. We've been monitoring the fund performances of key funds that we've invested you in. 3 months, the last 3 months actually has been quite reflective of a bottoming out. You can see right here from September onwards, it has come down and come back up. And I'll share with you in a little while the reasons for this bottoming out. Of course, we know the markets in China has been quite favorable, and we can actually see the turnaround um, after Xi Jinping had his Politburo revamp. So they also announced changes in the property sector and also changes for their COVID policy, easing of controls. So these are major policy shifts, all right, by Xi Jinping's administration. And we can see that actually the market has rallied in Hong Kong up to 17% in the last few weeks. So this is really good news. They've lowered down the standards or the controls for COVID movement for both people and also for goods, which boosts, of course, trade and confidence. And of course, the property sector, they've actually started looking into it and giving developers more liquidity by loosening down the payment requirements for home buyers. So that actually is very, very positive for China. And the market actually has reacted quite positively. Now, on the other front, in the US front, you can see the S&P 500 also gained 4% in the last quarter in the past 20 years. And they actually see that actually happening for us as well this year. So the global stocks would actually be looking for a year-end rally, uh, and this is from Bloomberg. The other one is actually from Fundstrat. This is an article from Market Insider that show a possible 15% rally. Of course, that's very optimistic, but we do see a year-end rally because there are things that have supporting it. The markets have actually been very positive. Uh, of course, in Malaysia, this is the best news. Um, Yesterday, so I'm making this fresh out of the appointment of Anwar Ibrahim as our Prime Minister. So the KLCI breached 1500, and the key thing is that it's foreign investors that have actually come in with yesterday's announcement, and we've started the ball rolling. So quarter two GDP, of course, was 8.9%, which is a good thing. It shows that even in the previous administration, even with whatever we've been going through, Malaysia will do better. So now, why are we looking at telling you all of this? Because valuations now are very, very attractive. Look at all the blue areas in this report by Morningstar. All the blue areas actually show undervalued stocks, undervalued markets. So it is actually a fantastic time to be buying more now. The dust is clearing. There is light at the end of the tunnel. Now, on our part, Synergy Planners, we've actually prepared three portfolios. An opportunistic portfolio where you've got an 80-20 spreader, at 80% in equity, 20% in fixed income. And the country focus are across ASEAN, local, Malaysia, and also China. Then you've got a more moderate approach, 70-30, where you include Japan in the mix. And of course, if you want to be very safe, 60-40, 60% in equity. And we also include 10% of global stocks there. So these are three portfolios that we actually have prepared. These are for cash clients who wish to begin or restructure their journey. So this is indicative of the portfolios that we've prepared. The turnaround, as you can see, for these three portfolios, the turnaround has already started um, down here. So this is actually very positive. So in a nutshell, my friends, if you're waiting for the right time, it is now. You've engaged us to be your consultants, and what we always do is we urge you on, we hand hold you throughout the process, and very importantly, this is the right time to come back into the market. Okay. Very importantly, please save these two numbers because the first number is mine. The second number is actually our business number. So we will be sending you communications and calls from the second number from time to time. So please save both these numbers. Thank you for listening.